Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video, you can tell by the title, I'm just showing you what was in my everyday makeup drawer, which I'm swapping out, what I'm swapping out, and then we'll go and I'll pick some new stuff from the stash. So what's in my everyday makeup drawer, shop my stash slash video. I'm not sure what the title is going to be, but we'll see. You'll know before I do, I guess, except for not really. But let's go ahead and get into it. I'm going to show you what I pulled, what I'm taking out. I'm actually looking at one thing that I think I'm going to keep in because it's the holidays. And just a disclaimer, this video on my YouTube channel is a cruelty-free YouTube channel, but I still have stuff in my collection that I purchased previously before I went cruelty-free, and it's not cruelty-free. So some stuff I will pick, like I always pick a MAC blush, and MAC is not cruelty-free. So I always have a MAC blush rotated out because I like want to use those up because they're not like the cheapest blushes on the planet. So and I have quite a bit of them. So first thing I'm going to show you, but I'm going to put it right back in, but is my Estee Lauder Pure Color Heat Wave powder gelée, and it's just really pretty. It's this nice gold color, but it's like so perfect for right now, Christmas time. So I'm gonna keep that out. I'm gonna put this over here for later times. And then the next thing that I have that I'm putting back into my stash is these American Beauty, which I found at Kohl's, and this is in Dixie Peach. It's a really nice kind of subtle blush. It's perfect for summer, but I'm not sure if it's great for right now. This is a Physicians Formula blush, Healthy Booster, pink, really pink. It was really nice for summer, but not for right now. And then this one I had out for Halloween and I was using then is this is an old limited edition palette from Fergie, the Fergie line, and this is in Photo App. Just got a really nice orange and colors that I really like for Halloween time. And then I have a couple shadow palettes. I had the original Naked palette that I was playing with. Mine doesn't have that big of dent in it because I was using it sparingly when I first bought it, because I was like, this is my first really expensive makeup palette. So it doesn't have a lot of dent and use in it. It has a lot of use, but I use it sparingly. And then this is one that I had. This is the Morphe Always Golden palette. Really nice. Kind of goes with the look that I did today. That video should already be up. If not, it will be. This one will be going back as well, so just gotta have it. And then this is the Atlanta palette. I got this out with just one day, and then I used it, and I was like, "This is really dumb. I have to leave. Why am I using something that's so kind of crazy?" So I just kind of put like a shimmery shade on the lid and blended it out, and it was good. It was kind of funny. And then I have a MAC blush in here that I'm putting back. This is the Whole Lotta Love blush from MAC that I'm putting back into my collection for rotation. And this is a single shadow that I have. It's really pretty. It's like a taupey purple tone. It's like taupe ships purple, and this is from Beauty Basics. This is in the shade Satin Taupe, which is pretty funny. It's really interesting packaging. It's almost like an indie packaging. This is like a plasticky kind of thing. Really interesting. It's not bad, but it's just interesting. And then this, I think I actually want to put back and do the rotation. This is the Lorac Baked Matte Satin Blush in the color Hollywood. It's almost like one of those things I just would not, like, some people may, with my skin tone, not even think to use this, but I like using it because it's just so interesting. If you use this light-handedly, you will get something really cool. So I think I'm going to put that back in the rotation. So far, just two things. These two I'm going to just put back. Whenever I want to use them, I just pull them out, but they were in there, so I'm just going to put these back. This is the Make 'em Jelly Highlight from Almay, Unicorn Light, and Mermaid Light. Mermaid Magic. So these are really fun. I'll open it in case you have never seen one of them. This is what it looks like. Mine's been sitting flat for a while, so it's just perfectly marbly inside of there. I just love them. Like, we went to a Halloween thing, I use them for like kids' birthday parties. They're just like so fun to just be like, I'm crazy fun. Really interesting product, especially from Almay. I never would expect something like that from them. Not that they couldn't come up with that, but you know, they're really kind of I don't know, not basic, but like straight to the point, you know. I'm not sure how to say it. I don't want to make anyone look bad, but this is the Chartist Pro To Go palette. This got two highlighters and a bronzer. I really like this palette. It smells really great, but I'm gonna put this back and get something else. And then I have the Pop Beauty Sun-Kissed Bronzer in the Secret Sunshine. This is really pretty, but it's not something I need to use right now. And then this is the Clinique Pansy Pop Cheek Pop Blush. It's purple. I'm not sure it's something I need to use right now. So those are the things I'm going to put back and switch out. These are the things I'm going to put back in this basket and take back into my makeup room. I will post a picture of my vanity that's in my bedroom on Instagram. I'm not going to film it right now because that's where my husband and the kids are. And so I will not show that. So I'm going to switch the camera angle and then we will be right here. Is like my single shadow kind of drawer. I have my little basket. I don't like to fill this basket up too much because I don't have very much space on my other vanity because it's tiny. So I'm kind of looking at this and I'm thinking I'm going to pull this out. This is the City Mini palette from Maybelline, and this is the one in Chill Brunch Neutrals. I'm going to pull that out. And then these are like my MAC single shadows here. I think I'm going to pull this one. This is Mulch. I have to pull this one. This is Saffron. I remember this came out in a collection. Lighting now. Anyways, this is the color Saffron, and this came in a palette in a collection from MAC, and I missed out on that. And then like not the next collection, but the like 2 collections after that, this came back out, and I just rushed over there and bought it without any thinking about it. So I'm excited about that. And then, ooh, I'm going to pull this palette out because I talk about it all the time and I really miss it. This is the Maybelline Sun-Baked Neutrals. You can still buy this. It's absolutely a fabulous neutral palette from the drugstore. I don't know why people don't talk about it. I don't know why people aren't using it. It's amazing. Every time I talk about it, I say that. So that is that. Oh, if you're wondering, I don't know if you guys can see back here. There is a shadow back here, but it is actually just an empty pan. I'm just leaving it because I have to fix a shadow. Well, that is that. And then so these are a bunch of color tattoos, as I'm not talking about any of them. And these are some like neutral shadows, some loose shadows from e.l.f. that are, I only have like none from e.l.f. anymore. Only have like none. And so I think I'm going to pull some of these. They're just something I really like to pull around Christmas time because they're super fun to play with. So I'm going to pull one of these out because I love the purples in them. So this one's really kind of smoky, but I'm going to pull this one because it's like super berry toned. So I think we have some good shadows. That's actually fine for me right now. And then this is the bronzers and highlighters. I have MAC ones back here, and then I have some other like ones. I'm going to pull this one. This is like the oldest one I have. Oh my goodness, it says Light Flush. It's just another, yeah, it's just a really nice kind of pinky golden highlighter, so I really like it. I'm going to pull that out. I haven't used it in a while. I'm excited to try to play with that again. And then I also have the one from Estee Lauder, which I should probably pull a third one because that's how it is. I'm gonna pull one of these ones from Maybelline. I'm going to pull I'm going to pull this one from Vincent Longo. I've talked about it in the past. It's super pretty. It's something that I've almost tried to declutter, and then I was like, what are you talking about? It's almost it's a subtle pinky highlight, but it just gives you a beautiful, beautiful, healthy glow. Let me turn this light off. Yeah, that's probably better. So I'm going to pull that. So that's enough for that. 2 are Mercier things. One's a highlighter and one's a bronzer. Those back, I don't need those. But I will pull this because it's tiny. This is NARS Laguna. It's just like simple, not cruelty free. But I keep it anyways because it's not a bad product. And then, what's this? What do we have? What do we have? I will pull this out for my everyday use. I haven't used this in a while and it's darker, so I like to use it for right now, not for so much for summer, because I can blend it into a blush and it's just nice. And I don't really care about stuff like that for like summer stuff like that. I don't really care. I'm going to pull this one because it's from CoverGirl, and CoverGirl just recently became cruelty free, and it's really pretty. I like it. So, alright, I will pull this one from, and then I'm also going to pull this one from Lancome, 2 blushes. So this is actually almost like fuchsia purple. This is Passionately Tempted from MAC, and it's really, really pretty. I love that. And then this is one that I bought, and every time I open it, I just kind of get chills because it's so cool. It's from Lancome. Lancome's not cruelty free. They're great like that. This is a Shimmer Tamarind. I'm not sure. And it's just, oh, it's just a beautiful blush. So I have so far 4 blushes. I have the Lancome, CoverGirl, MAC, and then the Lorac one that I pulled. So those are the things that I have, and those are what I'm going to put in my makeup everyday drawer. Guys, so if you guys did like this kind of shop my stash video, you can see what's in my makeup drawers. I just have one Alex thingamajig, I'm not even sure, 6 drawer. So if you guys did like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. I like to film them. I love going through my makeup, and I like doing it with you guys. So go ahead and hit subscribe and hit thumbs up if you like videos such as this, and I'll talk to you at the next one. Bye!